In this video, I'll be teaching you oxidation and reduction in terms of oxygen transfer, hydrogen transfer, and electron transfer. When oxidation and reduction reactions occur due to the transfer of oxygen, we say that oxidation is gain of oxygen and reduction is loss of oxygen. Consider this reaction. Copper oxide reacts with H2 to form copper and water. Copper oxide loses its oxygen to hydrogen. So we can say that hydrogen is getting oxidized because oxidation is gain of oxygen. And copper oxide is getting reduced because reduction is loss of oxygen. In case of hydrogen transfer, oxidation and reduction can be defined as follows. Oxidation is loss of hydrogen and reduction is gain of hydrogen. In this reaction, CH4, methane, reacts with oxygen to form carbon dioxide and water as the products. So CH4 is losing hydrogen and oxygen is gaining hydrogen. CH4 is getting oxidized because oxidation is loss of hydrogen and O2 is getting reduced because reduction is gain of hydrogen. Now let's define oxidation and reduction in terms of electron transfer. Oxidation is loss of electrons, LEO, loss of electrons, oxidation, and reduction is gain of electrons, GER, gain of electrons, reduction. Consider the following reaction. Iron combining with oxygen to form a new product Fe2O3, iron oxide. On the reactant side, the charge of iron and oxygen is 0. But on the product side, the charge on iron is +3 and charge on oxygen is -2. Positive charge on iron indicates that it has donated electrons to oxygen, and negative charge on oxygen indicates that it has gained electrons from iron. So iron is getting oxidized or iron is undergoing oxidation because oxidation is loss of electrons. And oxygen is undergoing reduction because reduction is gain of electrons. Now let us see what are oxidizing and reducing agents. Oxidizing agents helps in oxidation and reducing agents helps in reduction. In other words, the substance that is oxidized is the reducing agent and the substance that is reduced is the oxidizing agent. Let us look at an example. Copper oxide reacting with hydrogen to form copper and water. So copper oxide is getting reduced to copper and hydrogen is getting oxidized to water. So according to the definition, CuO is the oxidizing agent because it is undergoing reduction or getting reduced, and hydrogen is the reducing agent because it is getting oxidized. The next example, CH4 plus O2 giving CO2 plus H2O. So here CH4 is undergoing oxidation and O2 is undergoing reduction. So oxygen is the oxidizing agent and CH4 is the reducing agent. Fe plus O2 giving Fe2O3. O2 is the oxidizing agent and iron is the reducing agent. In all these examples, what we have discussed, oxidation and reduction takes place simultaneously in one single chemical reaction. These type of reactions are known as redox reactions, reduction and oxidation. So reduction reactions are nothing but the reactions in which oxidation and reduction occurs simultaneously. Let us have a quick recap of oxidation and reduction process. In terms of oxygen transfer, oxidation is gain of oxygen and reduction is loss of oxygen. In terms of hydrogen transfer, oxidation is loss of hydrogen and reduction is gain of hydrogen. In terms of electron transfer, oxidation is loss of electron and reduction is gain of electron. We have also seen about oxidizing agents which helps in oxidation and reducing agents which helps in reduction. In my next video, I'll be teaching you endothermic and exothermic reactions. If you like my video, then kindly do subscribe my channel, and thank you for watching my video.